everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gail if you're new here, and I make videos on easy, everyday, achievable makeup looks and nighttime looks like this one, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So if you're ready, let's begin! Starting with an eyeshadow base, this is the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre, and I'm using a flat brush just to pat it on, apply it all over the eye area, the lid up to the brow bone. And using a mid-toned shade, I'm using this into the crease to create sort of transition shade and build up a bit of a contour in the crease area, sort of blending upwards to the brow bone. Going in deeper with a slightly darker shade in the crease area again. Just keep blending from left to right, little circular motions. Using a deep brown shade, I'm just going to really define the crease area. I'm actually not using a fluffy blending brush, I'm using a flat brush, which I find gives you more control, then go in with a blending brush afterwards. Same transition shade, just to blend it all out. I like the brow bone using the lightest shade, just tap it on, no need to blend. And who remembers these little sponge applicators? I used to use them, I still do. I find it so much easier to get a dense application onto the eyelid. And the colour is much more concentrated and easier and quicker. Now for the fun bit, this gorgeous yellow gold shimmer. It's kind of like a bronzy gold, in fact. And I'm just using my fingertip to apply. And use the same colour you used on your brow bone, just to the inner corners of the eyes. Curl lashes before you apply a couple of coats of mascara. You'll find that you'll get much more curl, volume and definition if you do that before applying your mascara. Gosh, honestly, how good is that mascara? It's the Soap and Glory one, and I have been loving it for absolutely ages. Pretty good, huh? I curled the lashes first, obviously, just to get a bit more of a lift. But this has done the trick, and we could stop right here actually, but because it's the party season, I'm going to put some lashes on as well. But first I'm going to put some black eyeliner underneath the eyes. This is a Rimmel eyeliner, it's waterproof, and it's really, really great for smoking out, especially under the lashes. The line doesn't need to be too perfect or too straight, because I'm going to use this little pencil brush to smudge it, smoke it. And I think because we're making this a little bit extra glam, I'm going to put some mascara on the lower lashes as well. Not full length, they're more sort of 3/4 lashes. So I'll put the glue on. I'm just going to wave it around a bit so it gets a little bit tacky. And you might want to add just a tiny bit more definition just to the inner corner, and I'm just going to use this NYX liquid eyeliner. Thinnest of lines, I mean hardly anything, but just to sort of bring it all together. And for lips, I'm going to use my trusty Viva Glam III lipstick. These lipsticks are quite special actually. They're from MAC, and the proceeds of each sale, less tax, VAT, goes to the MAC AIDS Fund. Pretty amazing. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So the colour is a dark, sort of a burgundy-ish red. And a quick trick that I do actually is sometimes it's easier to shape your lips by putting on your lipstick first and then going around with a lip pencil to define the shape. I do it the other way sometimes, but this is probably an easier way to get sort of more of a balanced lip shape. So here it is. Not quite, hang on. This is so cute. It's from NYX. It's a gorgeous little lip gloss on a doe foot applicator. I'd love you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Let me know if you'd like me to create any specific looks or use any particular palettes. I love trying out new palettes, especially if they're bargain palettes. Pop any comments below. If you click the drop down box, the little kind of V below the video, you'll see all the products are listed there. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.